Hi everybody, today we're going to do another question from Financial Maths. Here's the question. Rowan saves €200 every month. He does it at the beginning of the month. He does it for 4 years. The AER is 2.5%. At the end of each year, he also adds another €1,000 to this account, and they're asking us how much money will he have at the end of the period. Okay. So to solve this, first of all, we know, this is a saving, question. So for the saving question, we will have to use the formula P 1 plus I to the power of T, which will give us how much is the final value of each investment. Now we take this series of investments as if each installment is an investment by itself. So the first thing he's doing is saving €200. And we have to multiply it by 1 plus the interest rate. But the interest rate given in the question is 2.5 yearly, and he's saving monthly. So first thing we have to do is change the yearly to monthly. So 1 plus 0.025%, if he got it yearly, needs to be the same like if he got it monthly. That means an interest for 12 months. We rearrange this, so root 12. 1.025, take 1, gives us the interest rate. And let's say in the question they say 3 significant figures. So this comes out 0.00206. So this is the I we will use for the monthly installments. So 1 plus 0.00206. And how many installments does he have? So he's saving for 4 years, and he's saving at the beginning of each month. So 4 years times 12 months in a year, so that's 48 installments. So the first installment will get 48 times the interest, the monthly interest. The next installment will get the same interest, but only 47 times because the first month is gone and he's not going to get interest for that. The last installment, he's going to put it a month before the end, so you will only get 1 month interest for this installment. And all of this we have to add up to get how much you got for the monthly. So we'll do that. After that, we will treat adding the €1,000 separately. So we'll do this first of all. So the first thing we have to identify what's our A in the formula of the SN. So I'll just write here the formula of SN is the first term, 1 minus the ratio to the power of n over 1 minus r. As we said previously, this is a geometric sequence, so we're going to use that. So this is going to be my first term in my formula. The next thing I need to know, what is the ratio? So the ratio is just, we can see we're multiplying by the bracket each time. So my ratio is just going to be the bracket, which is 1.00206. And the terms, how many times t in, how many terms are we adding? 48 terms. And we're going to put it all in the formula. So the formula says A, which in our case is going to be 200, 1.00206. So this is my A, multiplied by 1 minus the ratio. This is an O there. 06 to the power of 48 all over 1 minus the ratio, which is 1.00206. We put all of this in the calculator, and this comes out 10,153 cents. So this is euros and this is cent, of course. So this is how much he will get for the installments. They also tell us in the question that every end of the year he's saving €1,000. €1,000, he does it at the end of the year, so he's not going to get interest for the first year, but he will get interest for the next 3 years. And remember here the interest was 2.5 for the year, so I just add 0.025 because that's annual, and he will get that for 3 years. The next installment he's going to get for 2 years, and the next installment he'll get 1 year interest. And the last installment, I'm assuming he's also making installment in the last year. He's not going to get any interest because the saving has come to maturity, and he will just get his money back. We have to add all of these. You can calculate each one separately and add, or you can put it in the SN formula. So for the SN formula, again, this is my first term. My ratio is the bracket, 1.025, that's the ratio. And for the terms, I have 4 terms, so I'll put it all together into the formula, which says A, in our case 1,000, multiplied by 1 minus the ratio to the power of the terms, which is 4, 1 minus the ratio. And we calculate that out, and it comes out 4,152 and 56 cents. So this looks kind of logical. He saved 4 times, he put in 1,000, that's altogether 4,000, he got 152, and he's only getting 2.5%. That makes sense kind of in our calculation. We take the amount that he gets for the 1,000 euros, and we take the amount that he gets for the 200 euros, and we add these two up to get the final value of his investment. And of course 10,000 and 4,000 gives us 14,000. So when you put it in the calculator in your head, it's 14,253 euro and 5 cents. Thank you very much. Till the next exciting question.